Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page. We received another box from our friends from Bilena Cosmetics. So thank you so much Bilena and Hello Glow for sending me this box. So I'll be showing you what's inside. But before that, again, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page to show your support. Alright, so this is what's inside the box. Okay, so first is they resent me the Blemish Miracle Set, which I received from the box that they sent me earlier January. So thank you again for this. I actually gave the other one to my friend Eve. Shout out Eve. Katong naasa ako mga trending videos sa katong magluto mi og kulabutan. Shout out Eve Relativo. This is the other one's going to you. Kaya problema siya sa iyang acne. And we also received this box, which is the Acne Defense Set from Hello Glow. It's also made in Korea. It's solely imported and distributed by Bilena Cosmetics Incorporated. And I'll be talking more about this product later on. So this is Acne Defense Set. In case you didn't know, if you have acne or your skin is prone to acne, this is the product that you would need. Next products we received are ubay jud siya, guys. So they sent us tons of masks. They're siya classy, guys. Thank you so much, Hello Glow. So this is the Sunflower Serum Sheet Mask. We also received the All-Natural Whitening, the Rejuvenating Serum Sheet Mask. We also have here Rose Water Anti-Pollution Serum Sheet Mask and Acne Defense Serum Sheet Mask. So they sent us two. And also two of the Blemish Miracle Serum Sheet Mask. So thank you so much, Hello Glow, for all of these products. I'll be diving deeper on the benefits and the ingredients included in each product later on. Okay, so if you have not seen my previous video about the Blemish Miracle Set, this has 4 different products included in the box. It has a cleanser, a toner, a corrector serum, and also a calming cream. So this has a seal. So if wala siya seal, guys, meaning nanay nang hilabot ano yung product na dawat. So again, in this box, you will have the AHA BHA Blemish Miracle Set. So let's try to open it. Again, if you have not seen my previous vlog, I already have a vlog about this one. It has the Miracle Clear Skin Cleanser. This cleanser revitalizes skin by gently exfoliating it and gets rid of germs and bacteria that causes acne, bumps, and blackheads. It even helps remove dead skin cells, revealing a fresh and radiant skin. Okay? So this is a 60 ml tube. Next in this box is a Miracle Pore Control Toner, which is 65 ml. This is alcohol-free. This maintains skin's pH level, calms inflamed pores, and smoothens skin. And third on the box is the Miracle Acne Corrector Serum. This plumps the skin, soothes redness, and reduces dark spots, and is in a 15 ml tube. And the last product in the box is the Miracle Acne Calming Cream. It's in a 15 ml tube, which helps remove troubled spots, reduces pimple size, and dries out blemishes. Mauto siya ang sod sa Blemish Miracle Set. Kani silang upat. And the next box that we received is the Hello Glow Acne Defense Set. I have not received this one before. It has salicylic acid and tea tree. So ato so siyang I have not opened this. So each box is safely sealed with plastic. There you go. There are 3 steps or 3 products in this box. You will have the Hello Glow Acne Solutions Cleansing Gel. You also have the Hello Glow Pore Tight Repairing Toner. And the 3rd step, which is the Hello Glow Acne Spot Drying Cream. So, makauga siya sa inyong bugas, guys. Kung naamoy mga bugas-bugas diha, and it's still very fresh, you try to put that cream on it, and it will help dry it up. So, let's go ahead and open it. Wow, it's big. 100 ml. Acne Solutions Cleansing Gel, antibacterial, reduces acne, and purifies pores. So, katong may mga problema sa bugas, sa blackheads, sa clogged pores, this is the product that you need to look for. Acne Defense Set nila. Okay? So, remove dirt, makeup, and impurities with Hello Glow Acne Solutions Cleansing Gel. It controls oil. Mga oily naong diha sama nako. It controls oil, lessens blackheads and pimples without disrupting the skin's natural protective barrier. So again, Acne Solutions Cleansing Gel. Cleansing Gel. The second product in the box is the toner. 100 ml, minimizes pores, brightens skin, removes oil, pore tight repairing toner. Okay, fights breakouts, premature aging. So, di lang siya para sa bugas, para po siya sa premature aging. So, mga kanang lines ninyo diha, wrinkles, mga problema ninyo diha sa inyong skin. This can also be a solution for it. And minimize pore size. So, kanang mga dagko kay mga lungag-lungag diha. Ako, actually, that's my problem when I was in high school and college. Due to stress with my studies, dagko kay kog pores before. As in, manamin kung magproblema ko kadagko pag mga lungag sa kong naong. But with this product, it can help you minimize your pore size. It boosts the skin's healing process to prevent acne scars for an improved skin texture over time. So for these products, you need to put water first on your face, wet your hands, and then pour a pea-sized amount here on your palm and lather it on your face and rinse it. And then for the toners, of course, you need to use cotton. Naiuban butang directly on their hand, but I think it's the best if you use cotton. Apply it in cotton and circular motion onto your face. And then the gels would always come last. Put them on the problematic spots. Kanang inyong mga linya diha, inyong mga bugas-bugas. Diha ninyo i-put directly ang creams or ang gels. Did I miss anything? Oh yeah, the last one. Last one on the Acne Defense Set is the drying cream. Kani jud, importante ni sa mga naibugas. Put directly onto the problem spot. Katong mga bugas mismo na kananapay puti sulod, mga nana sa sud. So, helps dry pimples, prevents breakouts, and soothes troubled skin. 15 ml tube. Okay, and again, all of the products in this box, the gel, the toner, and the cream has salicylic acid, which helps exfoliate dead skin cells and deep cleans pore clogging skin debris to treat acne, and also has tea tree, which contains antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Oh, daghan na siya mga benefits, guys, to protect from harmful environmental stressors and reduce acne scars. So, thank you so much, Hello Glow, for sending me these 2 boxes. Salamat kayo sa grasya. So, thank you so much, everyone, for watching my videos. And thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to like and follow my page in Facebook, Margrette or Margrette Vlogs. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, Margrette. And if you have any questions about the products that I vlogged today, please don't hesitate to leave those comments in the comment section. I will reply to them as soon as I can. And thank you so much once again, Hello Glow Squad, and also Ever Bilena Cosmetics for showing your trust to me. Thank you so much for your trust, dearest clients. So I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Again, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Show your support by liking this video and also liking and following my page, subscribing to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much, everyone. See you on my next vlog. Bye!